Well, did you feel that cooler breeze this afternoon? A cold front was sweeping in. It's going to drop the humidity levels even more for tomorrow. It is going to be a sunny and pleasant start to the first week of August. That cold front in action shown by the wind speeds and directions. A gusty day out on the islands and on the lake. Wind speeds across southern Michigan at 10 to 15 miles an hour, and temperatures already starting to fall. How about that? Monroe, Michigan at 68 degrees. Toledo checking in at 78, which coincidentally is also the temperature of Lake Erie right now. Now, because of the warmth of Lake Erie coupled with the cold front that swept on through, we did have a little bit of waterspout action today. We'll get to that in just a minute. There are still a few kind of sprinkles filtering in from the north behind that cold front. Not really noticing any lightning or thunder. However, just to the east of Dundee and to the west of Monroe, there is a very light rain shower passing on through. Over the lake, there are a few sprinkles. This one is out towards Lorain, but the island's also seeing some light rain showers. And with those showers passing on through, I can't rule out a brief funnel or waterspout over Lake Erie for the remainder of the evening. Our First Alert weather app has the latest on those marine weather warnings. Now, most of the action happened in the eastern part of Lake Erie today. However, near Sandusky, there was a brief spout reported. Most of these waterspouts, not tornadic waterspouts or anything like that, but you still don't want to mess around with them as they can cause damage or even capsize some small boats. Now, out towards Cleveland, a very different story. Matt Schiffler Photography gave me permission to share this one. Check out that waterspout with downtown Cleveland in the background. This one looks a lot more intense than the ones that occurred in Northwest Ohio today. And sometimes waterspouts can briefly make landfall. Of course, their wind speeds are typically around 40 to 50 miles an hour, so nowhere near the force of most tornadoes, but still enough to do some minor damage. If you are headed out to the water tomorrow, it's going to be a nice and calm day. Cool and sunny. Waves should be 1 to 2 feet. We'll have a very light north wind behind that cold front. No worries about waterspouts or funnels on the lake tomorrow. My hour-by-hour forecast shows you temperatures in the 60s this evening. Port Clinton at 69. Once again, I would still steer clear of the water for the remainder of the evening just to play it safe. Heading towards your Monday morning, it's going to be a crisp feeling start to the day. 55 degrees. Might have you thinking fall tomorrow. By the afternoon, high temperatures won't even make it to 80 degrees. And overall, it's going to be a cool and crisp weather pattern coming right up. Now, the humidity factor is going to be virtually non-existent tomorrow. In fact, tomorrow could be the least humid day we have felt since May. It's going to feel like fall. Dew points are going to be in the 40s, and those of you that are into walking, running, or biking, I'm sure humidity plays a big role in that. And with the low humidity, it is going to feel just wonderful and refreshing outside tomorrow. Sunny and pleasant weather continues on Tuesday, Wednesday. Still not very muggy, although it is going to start to warm on up. And then by Thursday, that's when the humidity is going to make a comeback, and you will see some warmer, muggier days towards the end of my First Alert 10-day forecast. A few pop-up showers and thunderstorms are possible, with temperatures returning to the low 90s.